Hi guys and welcome to another video. If you're new to my channel, I'm Mommy Sam and I'm a mommy vlogger, and also a live streamer. Hello! So for today, magugupit tayo ng buhok. Hindi ako nakalapel, kaya pasensya na kung may marinig kay mga tricycle na dumadaan. Pero, kinakabahan ako. Ang haba na ng buhok ko. Sobrang haba ng buhok ko. Ayan. I'm going to be taking a before shot. Ito naman. Ayan, ganyan. So, kailangan daw guys, magbasa ng buhok. So, babasain ko yung hair ko. Okay, so push na natin itong ginagawa ko. Ang mga paraphernalis ko pala dito ay I have for the hair, scissors for the hair, tapos yung isa naman may pang layer. Ayan. I have elastic bands. So, kailangan daw ay goma or elastic ang gamitin. So, I have it too. So, sabi, itali daw yung buhok. This is my first time to cut my hair on my own. Oh my gosh. Nakakakaba pala to guys. Okay guys, let's do this. Okay. I-cut down ng close to naputol. Naputol yung band ko, please. Okay, pinalitan ko na yung band. Take 2 tayo. Sobrang lapit ko kasi siguro sa band, kaya naputol ko siya. And siya yung na ano ko. I'm sorry, hair. There. Oh my gosh. Sobrang kapal ng buhok ko. Sobrang dami kong buhok. Gusto ko. As in. Kapal ng ano ko. Okay. So, ayan na, di ba? Let's do the other side. Okay, this is easier. Kasi naiganon ko na siya. Tingnan niyo, grabe yung kapal ng buhok ko. Okay. Hanggang dito na lang ba yung buhok na ikakat ko? I'm scared. I'll remove this muna para ma-figure out ko kung there you go. Oh my gosh. Ang iksi na niya. Okay. Ayan na siya. When you look at it. This ano na. Okay na to. Okay na tong iksing to. I don't wanna go any further. Let's go. Okay. So, I think this is enough na. Gawin ko lang ng mag-tutorial pa ako or manonood pa ako ng mga YouTube videos on how to put some texture on it. But for now, that's enough. Goodbye to my long hair. Look at this. That's a lot of hair. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope you guys enjoyed and kinabahan din kayo sa pinagagawa ko. But I'll do another video or another separate video pag ililayer ko na yung hair ko or kung ililayer ko pa ba yung hair ko or if I'm going to start loving this straight hair now. So, thank you guys for watching and I hope to see you guys on my next ones. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!